So how do you import photos from iPad to Google Photos? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe to it because there are so many tutorials which I don't want you to miss out on. Now, obviously, you need to have the Google Photos app installed and ready to be used. Obviously, you need to be signed in and everything. And what you need to do basically is to open it up like that. And if it asks for accessing your photos, ensure that it has full access. If that's not the case, just go to the Settings app and locate the Google Photos from the section here in the Apps view right here. And you can select the View or Access All Photos, as this is very useful because that means that your photos will be accessed by the Google Photos app. And that's like the whole thing that you can do about it, right? Like after this, the Google Photos will basically just take all of them and back them up to their cloud. Obviously, if you don't have enough storage in their cloud, not all of the photos can be backed up, but that is the idea. One last thing to check out is, of course, inside of the general section where you can tap on the background app refresh. And I personally would have the Google Photos turned on for this, meaning that Google Photos can access my captured photos in the background and upload them, automatically to the cloud and back it up right there. And it just all works without me even knowing. So it's just all automated. So yeah, that's how I like to use it. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.